Welcome to this comprehensive and in-depth step-by-step tutorial on mastering the art of makeup. Whether you're a makeup novice or looking to enhance your existing skills, this tutorial will guide you through the process of creating a flawless makeup look. From prepping your skin to perfecting your technique, we'll cover everything you need to know to achieve stunning results. So, grab your makeup brushes, take a seat, and get ready to dive into the world of makeup artistry. Step 1. Prepping your skin. The first step to achieving a flawless makeup look is to prepare your skin. Start by cleansing your face with a gentle cleanser to remove any dirt, oil, or makeup residue. Follow up with a toner to balance the pH levels of your skin and remove any impurities. Then, apply a moisturizer suitable for your skin type to hydrate and create a smooth base for makeup application. Allow the moisturizer to absorb fully before moving on to the next step. Step 2. Creating a flawless base. Now that your skin is prepped, it's time to create a flawless base for your makeup. Start by applying a primer to fill in pores, smooth out fine lines, and create a velvety texture for your foundation to adhere to. Choose a foundation that matches your skin tone and apply it evenly using a brush, sponge, or your fingers. Blend it well, ensuring seamless coverage. If necessary, use a concealer to cover any blemishes, dark spots, or under eye circles. Remember to blend the concealer seamlessly with the foundation for a natural look. Set your base with a translucent powder to ensure long-lasting wear. Step 3. Enhancing your eyes. The eyes are often the focal point of a makeup look. Begin by grooming your eyebrows using an eyebrow pencil or powder that matches your natural hair color. Fill in any sparse areas and shape your brows to frame your face. Next, apply an eyeshadow primer to your eyelids to prevent creasing and help the eyeshadow colors pop. Choose a neutral toned eyeshadow as a base color and apply it all over the lid. Then, use darker shades in the crease to add depth and dimension. Blend the colors seamlessly for a seamless transition. Apply eyeliner along the upper lash line to define your eyes. You can opt for a thin, subtle line or a bolder winged liner depending on your preference. Finish off with a few coats of mascara to volumize and lengthen your lashes, or apply false lashes for added drama. Step 4. Adding color to your face. To add color and dimension to your face, focus on blush, bronzer, and highlighter. Smile and apply a natural-looking blush to the apples of your cheeks, blending it upwards towards your temples. Choose a shade that complements your skin tone and the overall look you want to achieve. Next, use a bronzer to add warmth and definition. Apply it to the hollows of your cheeks, temples, and jawline, blending it well for a natural sun-kissed effect. Finally, apply a highlighter to the high points of your face, such as the cheekbones, brow bone, and Cupid's bow, to create a radiant glow. Use a fluffy brush to blend the highlighter for a seamless finish. Step 5. Perfecting your lips. Complete your makeup look by enhancing your lips. Start by exfoliating your lips gently with a lip scrub or a soft toothbrush to remove any dead skin. Apply a lip balm to moisturize and hydrate your lips. Use a lip liner that matches your chosen lip color to outline and define your lips. Fill in your lips with the chosen lipstick shade, either directly from the bullet or using a lip brush for more precision. Blot your lips with a tissue and reapply the lipstick for longer-lasting wear. Finish off with a touch of lip gloss in the center of your lips to create a fuller, more luscious effect. Step 6. Setting your makeup. To ensure that your makeup stays in place all day, it's essential to set it properly. Use a setting spray to lock in your makeup and prolong its wear. Hold the spray a few inches away from your face and mist it all over, keeping your eyes closed. Allow the setting spray to dry naturally. Congratulations! You have now mastered the art of makeup with this detailed step-by-step tutorial. By following these techniques and tips, you'll be able to create flawless and personalized makeup looks for any occasion. Remember that practice is key, so don't be afraid to experiment with different colors, techniques, and products to find what works best for you. Now go ahead and showcase your newfound skills, embrace your creativity, and have fun with makeup artistry.